Unlocking powerful insights from your time tracking data is easier than you think, and today, we're diving into how to expertly export reports from Clockify. First, navigate to the Reports section on the left-hand side of your Clockify dashboard. This is your central hub for all things reporting. Clockify offers several report types, but we'll start with the Summary Report. Click on Summary Report to generate a high-level overview of your track time. Before exporting, refine your report using the filter options. You can adjust the date range to select the specific time frame you need, choose specific users to get individual productivity, pinpoint certain projects to analyze how much time you spent on it, and include specific tags. Customize these filters to extract the exact data you want. Once you're satisfied with your filter settings, click the Export button. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with the available export formats. You have a range of options, including CSV, which is great for data manipulation in spreadsheets, PDF, ideal for visually appealing summaries, and Excel, for those of you who like to work with spreadsheets. Select your preferred format, and Clockify will automatically generate and download your report. Now you have a professional report ready for analysis, billing, or project management purposes. You can also export a detailed report. The detailed report option gives you a breakdown of all the time entries, and from here you can also export it in the same format that you can use on the summary report. And that's it. You've successfully exported a report from Clockify. Now you're able to unlock the full potential of your time tracking data. Be sure to subscribe for more Clockify tips and tricks.